Hello, I'm Stephen Devine, Electrical Engineer at the IET. In this video we take a look at the latest requirements for installing electrical vehicle charging points. The use of electric vehicles is on the increase, but we often get questions to our technical helpline about the installation of chargers. So, let's have a look at someone who has an option of using either a standalone charger or a charger located in a domestic dwelling. Before we go into the details of each option, what are the general requirements that need to be borne in mind for both standalone chargers and chargers installed within a domestic dwelling? Amendment 2, 2013 to BS 7671 2008 requirements for electrical installations was issued on the 1st of August 2013. Installations designed after the 31st of July 2013 are to comply with BS 7671 2008 Amendment 2 2013. This amendment introduced a new section, Section 722 Electric Vehicle Charging Installations, which specifies the requirements for the supplies to electric vehicles. Section 722 includes the requirements for the type and current rating of socket outlets, RCD protection, measures of protection against electric shock, IP rating of equipment, impact protection against mechanical damage, isolation and switching and fixing arrangements, etc. Check to make sure the condition of the existing equipment, including that of the distributor, will be adequate for the additional load needed to supply the new electric vehicle charging point. Also check that the earthing and bonding arrangements for the new electric vehicle charging point are adequate. This figure shows a TNCS earthing arrangement, also known as PME, commonly used for domestic dwellings in the UK. Now let's have a look at our friend charging the vehicle from a charging point that is mounted on the garage wall connected to the house. The charging point is supplied from the house and uses the same earthing system as the house. Remember, if the house has a PME earthing system, you will need to consider if this can be used for the charging point, and if so, an earth electrode could be required. BS 7671 2008 IEE Wiring Regulations recognises 4 distinct types of isolation and switching operation. See Section 722 and Regulations 534.4.2 of BS 7671 for more information about emergency switching. Regulation 722.531.2.101 requires every charging point to be individually protected by an RCD, having the characteristics specified in Regulation 415.1.1. RCD with a rated residual current not exceeding 30 mA and an operating time not exceeding 14 milliseconds at a residual current of 5 times the operating current. The RCD shall disconnect all live conductors, including the neutral. The regulation requires the RCD protecting the charging point to be at least a Type A RCCB, complying with BSEN 61008-1, or RCBO complying with BSEN 61009-1. If it is known that the DC component of the residual current exceeds 6 mA, then a Type B RCD complying with BSEN 62423 shall be installed.